Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. From Uno Ear Device, Uno know say one and only Atafa the Press. Well, take a look at my screen. Who remember this, my wisdom warriors? Who remember this? Just take a look at my screen. Calling all parents, teachers, and concerned citizens, the Ministry of Health is promoting deviant sexual behavior to our children in the YuteChatz app. My wisdom warriors, the Minister of Health and Wellness create this YuteChatz app and appear nastiness agwan in that the app there. And the parents them no know because them tell the parents something totally different. Them tell the parents them something totally different. So when the parents them do a check, then realize say appear nastiness a go on the app. How are they doing this? This is what the parents are saying. This is what the groups are saying. How are they doing this? Promotes gender confusion by endorsing rainbow. Gender is a personal choice. My wisdom warriors, advocates for LGBT ideologies including homosexuality and transgenderism to youth as young as 13, bypassing parental consent. This is what the health minister have them doing, my wisdom warriors. One can imagine all these things is going on the app. The app is called the YuteChatz app, where the parents come together and them ask for this to be removed, my wisdom warriors. They don't remove the app. They suspend the app. Why only think them suspend the app? This is the whole reason why I bring this up back again, Why only think Christopher Tufton, health minister, why only think said them suspend the app? They don't remove it. Because they are waiting until Jamaica turn republic, my wisdom warriors. That's what them are wait for. Them are wait for Jamaica turn republic. Once Jamaica turn republic, you know say the app is up and running again. Also, my wisdom warriors, one of the things what them a do, them a direct the youth to contact Jamaica Forum for lesbians, all sexuals and gays, J flag for counseling. When I hear them something, my wisdom warriors, what can we do to stop this? Call the Ministry of Health now and tell them to take it down. Call every day until they remove the YuteChat app. No, they don't remove it, my wisdom warriors. They only suspend the app, but they don't remove it. I want Jamaican parents to stand up about this because this is what they're doing. They might trick the picnic them, the young people. And I say, all right, then if you don't want to know about sexual intercourse and all these things, if you don't want to know about sexual health and diseases and them something there, we're going to download the app. And that them I tell you pitney them download the app called YuteChatz. When you pitney them download the app, my wisdom warriors, a different kekla fish are going on the app. Different kekla fish. You can't imagine? And then labor right. Who me not hear you talk about this? Labor right. We are chat off on the mouth. Who me not hear you talk about the Samoa agreement? And the things I me forget? One of the things I make Andrew Wellness by election, make me not talk about Samoa agreement. Me not hear one uno come out and talk about the Samoa agreement. That means that the whole I don't agree with it. So whole I don't labor right agree with transgender and man get married in a church. You don't agree with that? You don't agree with that, Jamaica? Me know say that are not uno Jamaican people. Me know say that could never be uno. We can't agree with Andrew Wellness. Andrew Wellness get over 1.5 billion US dollars to promote these things. Lord Jesus. Parents, we have to stand up. Jamaican people, we have to come together. We have to come together and stop this. The People's National Party PNP General Secretary Dr. Dayton Campbell is accusing Prime Minister Holness of using state resources to play politics. This are the mouthpiece now I put it out, my wisdom warriors. The man never tell a lie. Even Uno know that too. Even the news media them know that to, my wisdom warriors. Because why you are going to use so much money when you have a general election? Where is Andrew Holness getting all this money from? Where is Andrew Holness getting all these money from? That we want to know. Dr. Campbell says the PNP will not field a candidate in any parliamentary by-election with the party. Instead, focus on the general election constitutionally due next year. Of course, I agree with that. I agree with that. So when me see the paper, them a fling out and a talk about how PNP are accused, we all know what Andrew Holness is doing. Everybody know that. Andrew Holness is not a fair man. Andrew Holness is not a fair person because you have Trelawney, now have no councillor for 1 year. 1 year. And Andrew Holness, North East, now have a councillor for about 2 days or 3 days now. And Andrew Holness talk about by election. We might try fool. Una better go away with that. Una better go away with that and tap chat about how PNP are accused Andrew Holness. We not accuse Andrew Holness and nothing. We know where him do. Him do a PR stunt and it a go backfire because him a plan and got a wipe. Him a plan and got a wipe because guess what, my wisdom warriors? Him thinks a PNP they go contest to it. Him thinks a PNP I go contest to it. But see? Story come to bump. Hear this. How this my wisdom warriors come out and a chat off him out. How I go listen to Uno? How I go really listen to Uno? So this is when I come out, my wisdom warriors, Matasa Moda, presumptive candidate for the Jamaica Labour Party in the Northeast Sentence by-election, Matasa Moda, is defending the government decision to call the by-election in Northeast Sentence. Oh no move, oh no shit house, the whole of shit. The whole of frig up. And I want to whole of lift up from out of House of Parliament. I want to whole of because Uno is not a fair person. Uno is not a fair person. I don't know exactly what Uno do. Uno no fair. If Uno do these things, what Uno go do to the Jamaican people? Because really and truly, the Jamaican people Uno hurt. So when I try to say the people them are Trelawney and are somebody. Look from when Darimpler, what she want name. Look from when Mama D, what they usually call her. Look from when she left. 1 year now. Oh, I go listen to you, brother. Hey, Matasa Moda, you have to go one side, you know. Because you not have no sense. Me tell you that. You're senseless, man. You're senseless. You know, hey, brother, you should even bother come out. You should have left that for somebody else. Who is you, man? Who is you? Come out. And I can't chat about you defend. I don't chat pure shit. And take people for fool, boy. Yeah. I Jamaican people don't take for idiot, you know. Uno not take nobody for idiot but the Jamaican people and they feel for see. I don't know. But they really feel for see. The Opposition People's National Party PNP says the decision by the Prime Minister to call only one by-election when there's been a year-long vacancy in other constituency plus another looming vacancy in another come the end of October is a sign of desperation. And we all know that and I agree with this. Him power hungry. Andrew Holness power hungry. Where ma kill up himself suffer? You think so we are idiot, brother? Are you, my wisdom warriors, me telling us a PNP have them a piss up themselves. All Andrew Holness can't sleep. He's stressed right out. He's stressed out. Because listen, he no fear, you know. He no fear what going on Trelawney. Trelawney no have a representative for 1 year now. And then Marsha Smith left down a sentence just for 2 days or 3 days. And you talk about by election. You know if you go away with that. You know alone go keep on the election. Go away with that. My wisdom warriors, hear this. So my wisdom warriors, send out boy come out and chat off him out. You can't imagine? Send out boy, Akba, Fins Henley, run out and a chat pure rubbish. And I talk about what the PNP say is nonsense. You can't say them, hey boy, you never go away. Go sit down, man. You, we are Andrew Wellness son up boy from Wapikill Philip. You figure sit down and have no chat boy. You, of all person, no have no chat boy. Me no know who you can size up yourself with. Me no know who you can size up yourself with. My wisdom warriors. That's how Parliamentary Secretary in the office of the Prime Minister, Senator Abka Fix Henley, you know some call him the Senate boy, has described the claim from the People's National Party, PNP, that the Prime Minister is using state resources to pursue partisan political objectives. So, if Andrew Holness now use the state resources, I want to get resources from? If Andrew Holness now use the state resources, where him get resources from? On the can't talk up, because we know on the business and none, but I feel that we don't know. We know on the business, on the things that we can keep secret. On the things that everybody, we are not head to head in the parliament there. We sit down amongst the Jamaica Labour Party. On the things that we don't know for the business, on have a next thing coming. On have a next thing coming. We uno no know. All uno, let me tell you something. I don't know what this a send out boy I come out a chat off him out and say, Akba, go sit down. Go and sit down. Nobody no want to hear from you. Nobody no want to hear what send out boy have to say. Cause pure nonsense you a chat. Utter rubbish. Utter rubbish you talk about. So if on a taxpayer money, if on a Jamaican resources, who are going to resources? Who are going to resources? Boy, go sit down. My wisdom warriors, me tell us that they not have no sense, then dons. Andrew Wellness not going using personal money to do that. We all know that. So, if I know the state resources, 4 resources they might use, one different state or an IMF. Hey, my wisdom warriors, let me stop in nice and the people them business. Or is it IMF resources on I use? Allege. Let me just drop on that, yeah. Come talk truth. Count the things that we don't know what going behind closed doors. We know what is going on. We know what is going on. So the things say all on the head when they put together. Every head in a one pen. On the things say all of on the head when a Jamaica Labour Party. All of the head them in a one pen. On the really think so? Una better start look on each other from now. I know say una watch my channel all the time. Because ever if una not block me, una not remove my comment. I don't know. My wisdom warriors, really and truly, I don't understand them. I don't understand them. If another state resources use, you come out Akba, send out boy, you come out a chat shit. And I try to utter what the PNP them say a rubbish them attack. Yeah? So if another state resources una use, a full for resource I use, or something you want to tell we already know, you know. We already know. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Me I go catch you now in the next video. Alright? Blessings upon blessings. One love.